Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kum ka jingpen sedang jong ki bor badai pet ka tanat ka koit ka khia ban ai dawai injek tika ki samla lut ki bala kenjo ya karta ka bala khatsan hadu khat prasnam karta usembut menteri rangba jong ka Jylla uba preston tensong hakalai trik ubnai kala lingkot arajar arpuar ula peli pat ba ya ka jaka ai dawai injek tika harenja dispensary Shillong. Hadin ka jingilang ka balingkot bala sakhilang deki doctors Jong ka ni ka jaka ai jing somar ka Khun Kynthei jong sembut menteri rangba ka samla aroma daisy kharsenteu kalalong ka samla lut ka beningkong ban yo ya ka ni ka dawai injek tika hapo ka ni ka dispensary kum ka jingya da yaladi ni ka jingya bit yo khnyang jingpang COVID-19 ubala sapriang keleng saudong ka perthei.
This day is a very important day for all of us. So I urge the parents, please see that your children come forward for this vaccination. Give them the right so that they'll be protected. Yes, for this 15 to 18 years age group, where the option for the vaccine is co-vaccine. Because we have seen that in the state of Meghalaya for the 18 plus, we have been given with a COVID-shield, and also in the other states of the country also with COVID-shield. But this co-vaccine also is not a new vaccine, and it has also been used in the other states of the country, and also in the northeast it's been used in Assam. Therefore, co-vaccine is a very safe vaccine, and it is produced by the Bharat Biotech, and then it is an Indian-made vaccine, and it is very safe. It's the same vaccine like COVID-shield. There's no difference at all. The same route of administration, and as storage also, it is at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and it is also seen that it's a good efficacy, and protection also is very good. And we have seen that there are no side effects. Of course, there are some side effects like COVID-shield with mild headache, fever, body ache, and so on. And so far, none of the people vaccinated with co-vaccine have got the serious side effects. Therefore, please take this vaccine. It's very safe, and it's up only for 15 to 18 years for the state of Meghalaya, whereas for 18 plus, we still have COVID-shield. So this is a vaccine which will be given to our age group 15 to 18 years. And so I again urge the parents and also the people who are here, please see that your children 15 to 18 years plus will get this vaccine so that they will be protected and so that the admission in the schools will be smooth.
Ki Khun heb ki Jongi kal a register hala ki Jong ki jaka borok kawe ke India bat na kalian ke sarkar India bat kumjuk ni ke state government ni kwa bat penting kena baka vaccination drive kami sedang mentaka sungi ngin pendet borok jauh keluar prapola kata kadeka mengingambo aku iki borsnong ke bortha ke biju trelang bangi na kalian ramba snong ke bomnya tia ke bomnya sok nang ta yaki nong yalam jong ka jat ben riu jongi ki seng bahalang barok ka banganga mod ban kerpa kolongga to ye trelang bangi ke surga ban penbor ya I wei pai wei khatsan hadu khat prasnen bakin sngau bahaban ai hidai sisa tu sipai ban ya Khun yo new virus ka bang mentang la Khun arsnet ban nga kemenskhen bangin Jong kila IT met ban mensim pin saliasu na kamta ke jingbit ke jingdiang Jong ki pat ban nok song Jong ke Jylla maka jongi dengan duai ban ngakit bokin wiang na kalian sarkar ba phi kum ki health workers to nang ya trace to bleu ku ya phi ngi na ka government kalong ngi dor kat pi
Nothing? Good. Very good.
After 4 weeks.
Today is a very special day to the state government and also the people of the state in Meghalaya, because we were able to launch the vaccination drive of 15 to 18 years. And this is the aspiration of each and every citizens of the state. And we really, we were really worried about the age of 15 to 18, because this is the age where we need to send our children, be it to institution, be it to school, whatever. I think this is the prime age for our children, our sons, our daughters. So now I'm really happy we were able to launch this, and I would request also the parents to come forward and also to request their children to make sure that they get themselves vaccinated. The population of 15 to 18 we have, I think, not more or less, it's about 2.6 lakhs. 2.6 lakhs population. So we would like to focus on this section of age, where I'm sure we'll be able maybe to complete within 3 or 4 months time. But that again, we leave it to the wisdom of the health department, the health officials. If need be, we can create more centers, more vaccination centers, or we can even go down to the village for getting them vaccinated. See, right now, thank God, in Meghalaya, the increase of coronavirus is not that much, and I'm sure we'll be able to contain it. But of course, from the government side, we don't sleep, and we make sure that anything, in case if increases takes place, everything is already in place where we can really go for a challenge. You see, the Omicron again is more or less the virus. So I think there is not much difference between Omicron and the Delta variant. It's more or less same. So of course the question of only mutation. Omicron, what they're saying is, the scientists say that the mutation rate is very high. That we have to take care of it. But at the same time, maybe if needed from the government side, few more instructions, advisories, and maybe few restrictions can be in place for the safety of people in the state. Message kabang kwa ban ai kolong ba yiki kmeki kpa mentak mi khun jong ala de bai tinga kepat ba baro ki kmeki kpa kin yalam yiki khun ladam yalam lu ai ba ki khun kin register dalade lagi bakin le ya kene kabdon kam bat ban ai kene vaccination namar kumongo pi ngatrai de tangka vaccination kabala ban yada yangi naw ni khajang jingpang pi ong Omicron lan pi ong Delta variant kat bade de stang da kaneka ka vaccination kabangila ban yo kajinga da ladi kade kiji sha nomor ba ngi hadong kedong teng kadang bidang sa yalam bakla ki babun ba ki jing pensyai ki jing pesutu ki ba lese ki bakla de ka banga karpat i kolong na kalian government ba kaptam ye kini ki khatsan hadu khatras net markide ki khun ki ba la alik pule ide ki khun ki bala ya nang ya start les ki bala alik class 9 class 10 dene ki bala il det matric te ngakermen skem ba hakini ki hakani ka stage jong kini ki ta khatsan hadu khatras net ba ki khun hi kin dia pensyai ik me ki pa bat mangangai skem ba maki dalade kin long ready ka banwan ha ka ban ai ka injection ne ka vaccination.